What you doing, guys? Mike's here. So, I'm gonna have to see this one. I'm gonna have to see this amazing video. So, please, can you check this one out? And this is called Man Pranks Friend by wiring his brakes with his horn. So, this is gonna be hilarious when you see this. So, here we go. 1, 2, 3. And Jinx is one of my favorite reactor on YouTube. So, we'll see what happens. Even...
Oh my god!
Whoops. Still heard it, right?
Oh my god! This is fucking hilarious!
It is, Jinx. Oh dear. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's still keep going. Oh.
Bro, I would be so angry.
Ooh. Man.
Oh my god, that is fucking brilliant.
That was an awesome prank. Yep. That's totally an awesome prank that I just watched. And it's very short, so you come along with it and see what happens. Okay, guys. Bye.